Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about curtain dishwasher for Hobart part #00-919758. The curtain dishwasher for Hobart part #00-919758 is a replacement part for Hobart dishwashers. It is a plastic curtain that fits around the dishwasher door to keep water from splashing out of the dishwasher. The curtain is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit most Hobart dishwashers. It comes with all necessary hardware and instructions for installation. The part number 00-919758 ensures that the correct part is ordered for the specific model of Hobart dishwasher. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement dishwasher curtain for Hobart part #00-919758. It would be used to replace a worn or damaged curtain, which could be causing water to leak out of the dishwasher. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by reading the installation instructions that came with the dishwasher. Make sure you understand all of the steps before beginning. 2. Turn off the power to the dishwasher at the circuit breaker or fuse box. 3. Disconnect any existing plumbing connections from the dishwasher, if applicable. 4. Place the dishwasher in its desired location and level it using shims if necessary. 5. Connect a cold water supply line to the inlet valve on the back of the dishwasher, using a flexible hose and compression fittings as needed. 6. Connect a drain line. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.